Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So here is another interesting question in which it's given that B, C, D are point on the circumference of a circle with center O, A, E and AF are tangent to the circle. Then calculate the size of angle DBF. So let's see how to solve this question. This is the given figure and it's given that angle DC is 80 degree. This angle is 80 degree. OC and OB are radius of the circle and AF and AE are tangent to the circle. And angle AOB is given 72 degree. We have to find out angle OBD and angle DBF. So let's see how to solve this question. This is the given figure. AE is tangent to the circle, OC is radius of the circle and radius is perpendicular to tangent. So this angle will be 90 degree. This angle is 80 degree. So this angle will be 10 degree. 90 minus 80, that is 10. Now in triangle ACO and triangle ABO, OC is equal to OB, both are radius. AC is equal to AB, both are tangent to the same circle from same point A. OA is common, so triangle ACO is congruent to triangle ABO. So this angle will be equal to this angle, that is angle AOC is equal to angle AOB. AOB is 72 degrees. So angle AOC is equal to 72 degree. So this is 72 degree. Now this total angle will be this plus this, that is angle COB is 144 degree. Now let us draw the figure again. Now this angle is 144 and this angle is 10 degree, and we know that angle at the circumference is half of angle at the center of the circle, so this angle will be 72 degree. Now this angle, which is reflex angle, will be reflex angle COB is equal to 360 minus 144, that is reflex angle COB is equal to 216 degree. Now CDBO is a quadrilateral, so angle C plus angle D plus angle B plus angle O will be equal to 360 degree by angle sum property. Now on substituting the value, C is 10, D is 72, angle B plus 216 is equal to 360 degrees. That is angle B is equal to 360 minus 298 degrees, which will give angle B is equal to 62 degrees. So this angle is 62 degree. Now OB is perpendicular to AF because radius is perpendicular to tangent. So this angle will be 90 degree. That is angle OBF is equal to 90 degree. Now this is 62 degree. So this angle, which is angle DBF, is equal to 90 minus 62, that is 28 degrees. So this was asked in the question. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting questions. Thanks for watching.